Entré not only helps you manage systems and users, it can also deliver real-time status updates about panel events. When managing multiple systems, there can be many events coming in. Setting an event policy will draw attention to important events. Open the configuration menu and select Event Policies. Find the event you wish to set a policy for. Use the search bar to quickly locate the event. Event policies can also be customized from the Events module. Select the event and click the Edit button. Select an alert sound from the drop-down menu to play when Entré receives that event. The event can also be displayed with custom text and background colors. Click the Choose button to the right of the background color and foreground color fields to change how the event will appear in the Events module and reports. Finally, click Save and Close to finish editing the event policy. When Entré receives a matching event, operators can be notified via an audible and visual cues, allowing for a quick response. For more training videos and information about Entré, visit dmp.com.